Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Nā Huaʻōlelo ka Malama, the Hawaiian words of the month. This month of April 2021, we're celebrating here at Partners in Development Foundation Earth Day. And so the words that we're going to be choosing are all related to Mother Earth. Our first word is Honua. Honua meaning earth, land, or world. There are famous phrases which describe Pele and her younger sister Hiʻiaka. And it goes like this. O Pele ka wahine ai honua, o Hiʻiaka ka wahine hoʻola ʻāina. Pele, the woman who devours the earth. Hiʻiaka, the woman who refurbishes the land. From all of us in PID, we want to thank you for joining us here for the Hawaiian word of the month. Aloha, ʻiolaka o Hawaii.